Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion Synth. We'll begin by understanding Notion's power as a personalized workspace for music creators. It offers a unique way to organize your sound design and music production elements. You can build custom systems to track everything from synthesizer patches to entire song projects, keeping all your creative assets neatly in one place. This approach streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus more on making music and less on scattered notes. Next, let's build the core of your Notion Synth, a dedicated database for your patches. Start by creating a new database and adding essential properties like the synthesizer's name, the patch category, and crucial parameters such as oscillator settings or filter cutoff. You can also add descriptive tags like warm pad or sharp lead for easy searching. Don't forget to include a files and media property to upload short audio snippets or images of your patch settings for quick reference. Now, let's connect your sound design to your larger musical world. By creating a relation property, you can link your patch database to a main music project database. This allows you to see exactly which patches are used in each song or production, providing a holistic view of your creative process. Imagine having all your synthesizers, their unique patches, and the tracks they appear in, all interconnected and easily navigable within one system. It's a powerful way to manage your entire musical ecosystem. To truly elevate your Notion Synth, leverage some advanced features. Create templates for common sound design tasks or checklists to ensure consistency. For instant recall, embed audio files directly into your patch entries, allowing you to hear the sound without leaving Notion. Experiment with different database views, such as a gallery view for visual patch browsing or a board view to track sound design progress. These enhancements will make your Notion workspace an even more intuitive and powerful tool for your music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.